So this is the bridge of sighs in Venice. And I think we can fix this. This is a light balance problem, right? It's taken in the middle of the day, which that's okay, you know, for this kind of shot. But let's fix this. First off, I think we got to do something about this wall. You might be able to just bring the highlights back, but I'll show you a trick for daylight shots that can tend to work. Let's go and first lower the highlights. Look, that took some of the edge off. So watch this. Watch the wall on the left. Right? It took some of that.
Like the burning.
Yeah, and you brought...
your eye goes to the left of the frame.
Right. Now, the other thing that you could do is you could probably... I'm thinking you're going to have to brush this in, but let's go get a brush, and let's just say brush. Let's lower the exposure and the highlights a little bit and just paint over this wall with a big brush. Now, that's not the right exposure. That looks, that's too dark. So let's just take a little of the heat off. In fact, what you might do instead of doing that, here's the trick. Go to the blacks and lower the blacks a lot. So watch what that does. For daylight shots, that tends to work pretty well. So let me show you the difference here just with that, watch. See, it was still pretty bright. You're adding more black. You're dragging to the left to -100, but look at how it takes the heat off. But then here's the thing that's going to fix this. Add another mask with a brush, go and brighten it up a stop, and paint over this side of the canal. Because what is this shot about? It's about this.
The people on the boat. Yeah.
Coming down to the Bridge of Sighs. Right there. That's it. Now, let's put them side by side and you'll see what I mean. See how dark that gondola was on the left? And see how bright? Like your eyes are drawn to something you don't really want them looking at. Now, if you really wanted to create some balance, I guess you could go and add another brush and paint with exposure up on this side to just really balance the light. That's too much, but hold on. Give me a second to pull it back to something more reasonable. Now it's a little more balanced.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then I
But now your eye is going to the gondola
rather
than going to the left wall.